In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a buyer agency agreement in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new envelope all the way to sending the agreement for signature. The goal here is to make sure your document is set up clearly and correctly, so the buyer and any other recipients can review and sign it without confusion. First, log into DocuSign and click Start. This is where you begin creating a new transaction. Once that opens, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is simply the package that holds your document, recipients, and signing instructions. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're preparing a document that needs to be reviewed and signed electronically. Now upload the buyer agency agreement you want the buyer to review and sign. Make sure you're attaching the correct version before moving forward. It's always a good idea to double check that the document is complete and final, since this is the version your recipients will see. After that, add the buyer as a recipient by entering the buyer's name and email address. Be careful here, because accurate recipient information is essential for successful delivery. If anyone else needs to review or sign the agreement, go ahead and add those additional recipients as well. Depending on your workflow, this might include another signer or someone who needs a copy for reference. As you do this, pay attention to the recipient roles and whether signing order matters. Once all recipients have been added, click next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you place the interactive fields that recipients will use. Add the required fields to the agreement, including signature, date signed, text, and any other fields needed to complete the form properly. Place each field in the correct location on the document so it's easy for recipients to understand what's required. Then assign every field to the correct recipient. This step is very important. If a field is assigned to the wrong person, it can delay the signing process or cause mistakes. Take a moment to verify that each signature, date, and text field belongs to the right person. Before sending, review the entire agreement carefully. Check the document itself, confirm the recipients, verify the signing order if one is being used, and make sure all fields are present and assigned correctly. A quick final review can help you avoid unnecessary corrections later. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will deliver the buyer agency agreement to the recipients so they can review and sign it electronically. That's it. You've successfully prepared and sent a buyer agency agreement in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.